Good evening. We begin in the law courts, and tonight the Court of Appeal has lifted conservatory orders placed by the High Court against the implementation of the controversial Finance Act 2023. The ruling from the Court of Appeal means the controversial taxation law that imposes, among other measures, a 1.5% housing levy takes effect immediately. And as Seth Olale reports, respondents, including Busia Senator Okiya Omtatah, have 14 days to appeal and 30 days to file and serve their submissions challenging the ruling.
In a major win for President William Ruto's administration, the Court of Appeal temporarily lifted the High Court's orders suspending the controversial Finance Act 2023. In a 52-paragraph ruling lifting the suspension of the implementation of the Finance Act 2023, Justices Mohamed Wasame, Kathurima Mnoti and Helen Omondi ruled that the petitioner's application has merit and the same is allowed as prayed, and that the order made on 10th July 2023 suspending the Finance Act 2023 and the order prohibiting the implementation of the Finance Act 2023 is hereby lifted pending the hearing and determination of the appeal. The appellate court further stating that the applicants, that include Treasury Cabinet Secretary Professor Njuguna Ndung'u, have satisfied the twin principles for the grant of the orders sought, and that public interest tilts in favor of setting aside the conservatory orders by the trial judge. The three-judge bench also held that tax is a continuous and annual mechanism, and the members of the public can get a rebate for overpaid taxes and levies when making subsequent tax payments. Since the petitions challenge both the entire Act and the specific provisions, the court can consider suspending the specific provisions whose implementation has an irreversible effect and cannot be refunded. The appellate judges concluding their ruling by stating that the Appropriation Act, which was enacted on the backdrop of the Finance Act, is in place and is not under constitutional challenge. Had the trial judge considered the substantial and irreversible public interest in this matter, the court would have been hesitant to suspend the whole act. Respondents in the case led by Busia Senator Okiya Omtatah have 14 days to appeal the ruling and 30 days to file and serve their submissions to the appellate judges, who will hear and determine the matter within 16 days from the date of ruling. A three-judge bench appointed by Chief Justice Martha Koome is also set to hear the case challenging the implementation of the Finance Act 2023 filed by Busia Senator Okiya Omtatah, Eliud Matindi, Michael Otieno and 4 others. Seth Olale, Citizen TV, Nairobi.